Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here at SIHH 2019. aBlogtoWatch likes candy, I like candy, and Richard Mille likes candy. They have a Bonbon collection, which is the story for 2019, and I'm wearing one of the men's versions or unisex versions, and here is one of the women's versions. There are a bunch of different watches. Each of them is a limited edition themed around fruit and candy. They're colorful, they're really nice. They use extremely high-end techniques like hand-painted dials, carbon TPT, ceramic, of course precious stones. These are fantastic jewelry items, very high design, and candy is a big part of it. The brand has never been afraid of colors, and it's never been afraid of being playful, and they went all in to the Bonbon message in 2019, and this is the last time that Richard Mille is going to be at the SIHH show, so they went out quite sweetly, if I may say. We're going to have a lot more coverage of the Bonbon collection, but there's so many watches that I can't speak about anyone specifically. Most of them are for women, but it's a very interesting set of timepieces, and I look forward to sharing them more on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.